Hello everybody, this is Anna Kwasinski and this is my project on anxiety. There are several different types of anxiety known to the world. There are panic disorders, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, generalized anxiety, and social phobia, also known as social anxiety. There are several symptoms. These do vary from person to person. You could have anywhere from trembling hands, sweaty palms. You have increased heart rate, which is tachycardia, a sense of feeling overwhelmed, hyperventilating, restless, feeling faint, nausea. Some can lead to having migraines, and most people are unable to complete simple tasks. Now, because everyone reacts differently with their anxiety, some people will have extreme symptoms while others will have more mild symptoms. Anxiety affects the body in several different types of ways. It affects the respiratory system because of the hyperventilating. The cardiac system is being involved because of the increased heart rate. The rest of the body is trying to counteract that increased heart rate, so that'll lead to muscle weakness or trembling hands involving the muscular system. And also our body will release hormones causing a fight or flight reaction, which is from the endocrine system. For causes, since everyone deals with this on a daily basis, people who actually have an anxiety disorder, there is a chemical released in the brain that causes someone to feel overwhelmed to a point where they can't do simple tasks that a normal person would be able to do. It's basically just a chemical imbalance in the brain. For someone who would be able to handle school, work, kids, practice, cleaning, and Lord knows what else people have to do on their daily lives, someone with anxiety will not be able to do all of those tasks. Unfortunately, there are no cures found. As of right now, doctors and scientists have only found treatments. They are still researching and trying to find a cure, and we are still waiting for that. So even though there is no cure, there are several treatments to help subside these anxiety attacks. These medications prescribed are selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, which help alter the neurotransmitter levels of serotonin in the brain. Some of these drugs are Prozac, Lexapro, Effexor. The most common one would be Xanax. Not only can people take medication, people can also do natural remedies such as talking to therapists, exercising, doing yoga, and in the states where marijuana is legal, they have been using that to help treat anxiety. Long-term effects of anxiety is several different things combined. Anxiety alone causes heart problems, digestive problems, and other mental disorders like depression. Then when you throw medication in there, that has even more serious problems. The body eventually will become immune to some of these drugs, and the people will start having to take higher dosages. Not to mention, people are spending hundreds of dollars a year for these treatments for whatever insurance does not cover. And with every drug that is taken, there are also side effects that are listed. Most of the common side effects of anxiety medication are lack of energy, depression, nausea, memory loss, and much more. These can lead to heart attacks or, unfortunately, even addiction, which sometimes may lead to overdose in some individuals. Anxiety has been increasing a lot today in the new modern world because of so much that is going on, but fortunately we do have a lot of scientists and research that are finding more information, so we are able to hopefully try to decrease that. Well, that was my presentation on anxiety. Thank you.